So I thought I'd get started on this back quarter. This is the replacement panel. It's going to go there, like that. So I've basically marked along the top of it and then gone down that far, and that's where my cut line's going to be, because this panel is going to overlap this one, and then I'm just going to weld it along there like that. So it's going to be cut out. I'm going to keep the bottom panel at the moment because it looks okay. And so I'm going to cut all this section. It's going to be cut out. So yep, I wimped out. I decided to take out the fuel tank while I'm cutting this quarter panel out, because I thought, what could go wrong? Angry grinders and petrol. So I've marked out the section I'm going to cut, and I'm going to cut along here and then trim it up. So here goes. Was that weird? Yes, but strangely satisfying. The rubber in this section. Seal. I might be able to clean it, but use it again. Okay, so now I can see what's there. You can see now the problem is you have this inner panel here that rusts, so I'm going to have to patch that as well. You can see in here the rust that gets inside there, so I'm going to cut across the back as well. Get that bit out. This is a challenge, as this is pop riveted there. I should just work this away a bit, maybe it'll snap. there as well. So this is actually spot welded to there. Okay, some aren't so easy. You can see I have another one here where it's buckling up. So I can actually just tap that. And it just breaks away. So I just want to show you, this is the outside of the panel, which is there, but if you look on the inside, so I just want to show you, this is the outside of the panel, but then if you look on the inside, you'll see all the rust down the bottom. So before I put the new panel on, I'll put some weld through primer on to protect it. And it's like I might have to patch this up, weld a new strip on there, and the same as around the side. I think this inner sill is so badly rusted, I'm actually going to cut it out across there, and I'll put a new piece of metal in there, because that's terrible. So if I actually do a cut like that and cut across all the way down, and then I'll mark that out with a bit of a lip, and weld that on. So you've got three joins here. You've got the bottom one, you have the inner, and then you have this one here on top. So it's wedged in between. So it's going to have to fold onto there. But I can do that. So after a stack more cutting and swearing, here's this panel here. It's going to go in. It's got to be trimmed down a bit, but it's going to go in there. And I've got to cut that out all the way along, and grind this bottom off here, and that's going to go in there like that. And that's the inside, and then of course I've got a closing panel that goes over the top. since doing this, I've realised I've done it all wrong, but that's why I'm doing it, to learn as I go and hopefully not mess it up too badly. But I discovered an amazing channel called Trev's blog, where he's a master fabricator, and he shows how you overlap the patch with the section you're trying to replace and then cut along the both of them, and you end up with a perfect matching pair of panels with exactly the right gap, which makes it much easier to weld. So I'll keep that in mind for next time. I've still got some other bits to do, patch panels, which I'll be able to use that technique. But check out his channel. I'll put the link below, and lots of brilliant stuff there about all sorts of problem solving and panel fabrication done with style. So check it out.